Grabe. Ito na siguro pinakamalaking unboxing ko for 2021. And hindi siya tech. It's food. Grabe guys, ang laki ng box, no? And grabe, this is probably one of the best food kahit hindi Pasko, no? Isa sa mga pinaka-tinatangkilikan natin mga Pinoy, no, is definitely lechon. And this is not ordinary lechon, no? It's called Cochinillo.
Cochinillo.
And guys, nakabili tayo, no, from Cochi by Marvin Agustin. And probably it's one of the most popular Cochinillo, no, in Metro Manila. Kasi grabe guys, nung pinanood ko si Marvin Agustin na kumain, no, ng Cochinillo, no, it's parang gusto mong humingi sa kanya. Parang ang sarap-sarap nung yung Cochinillo na yun, no. And definitely it's something worth trying, no. So guys, i-open natin right now and i-unbox natin. Ito, laki, oh. Cochi. Ooh. Laki. Oh my God. Guys, naalala na sinabi ni Marvin Agustin, pag yung buntot sunog, sablay na yon. So I make sure and chinek ko muna, no, kung buntot niya is sunog o hindi. Luckily, hindi sunog ang buntot. Oh, tinan nyo. Matigas. So makita natin yung ulo, no? It's buong buo and it's golden brown. Meron nakita mga lechon na niluluto sa retiro, no? Mga parang sunod ang buntot, sunod ang balat, and ito is definitely something that I want to try since nung huling Pasko pa. Pero now is the time to get a chance kasi birthday ni Mrs. Wala nang excuse. Right now, gagawin natin yung ginagawa ni Marvin Agustin. Pero ito, challenge ko kay Marvin. Kung kaya na i-cut tong Cochinillo ng paper plate, lilibre ko siya ng 10 Cochinillo. So guys, kakat na natin, no, using ceramic plate. So, yan. Uy, totoo nga. Chachap na natin ngayon, ha. Dire-diretso na tayo. Yan. Uy, totoo nga. Oh, ginawa din ni Marvin to, eh. Chachap na to. Ito. Grabe, ang lambot, ang crunchy. Grabe. I'm sure magugustuhan ng mga kids to. Wow. Grabe, ang lambot. Oh. And of course, yung pinaka-favorite part ko, no, is to taste test. Lalo na nung kinagat ni Marvin yung balat at parang ASMR effect, no? Yung talagang crunch na crunch. Tingnan natin kung talagang totoo o edited yung kay Marvin Agustin. Pakinggan natin. Totoo nga. Try uli natin. Totoo nga, ang sarap, grabe, malasang-malasa siya. Actually, meron siya kasamang, Cochi juice na kailangan i-serve hot doon, no? Kailangan ko lang i-microwave later pagkakain na kami. Pero nevertheless, guys, this is something that you should try. Ang sarap, grabe, so crunchy. Gusto mo try? Pati cameraman, hindi nakapigil, oh. Diba? So, guys, if you want to try this, Cochi by Marvin Agustin, I'll post their Facebook page on the description box below, no, para alam nyo kung saan nyo ma-order to. And this one in order ko is just XS. It's worth 6,999 and good for 4 na. Kami, 4 lang naman kami sa bahay, so sakto lang in order ko, no? Kasi kung di, masasayang naman siya. And that's it. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click that bell icon, guys. Don't forget, meron pa akong giveaway, 3 phones on our road to 100K subscribers. So kain muna ako and I'll see you on the next one.